This 5-minute solution will show you how to use two WhatsApp in one mobile using different mobile number. So as you can see, currently I'm using WhatsApp using my number, and now let's see how to use another WhatsApp account using a different number. So you have to go to your Android phone settings and click on this search icon and type dual and tap on dual messenger, and here tap on dual messenger, enable WhatsApp, tap on install, and it will create a secondary WhatsApp. And let's check it out. As you can see, my second WhatsApp has been successfully installed. Now I'm going to opening this one, and now I can easily create my secondary WhatsApp account using a different mobile number. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.